Let's learn Bisaya with CV. Beautiful in Bisaya is guapa, guapa. Ugly in Bisaya is pangit, pangit. Handsome in Bisaya is guapo, guapo. Fat in Bisaya is tambok, tambok. Thin in Bisaya is payat, payat. Tall in Bisaya is tangkad, tangkad. Short in Bisaya is putut, putut. Bald in Bisaya is upaw, upaw. Dark in Bisaya is lagom, lagom. Like and subscribe for more. Bye! Thanks for watching!